There's an undeniable connection between animals, humans, and our shared environment. This connection means that we all have a part in creating a healthier planet for our future. And this can only happen by being thoughtful and intentional about sustainability. At MSD Animal Health, we are investing in science-backed solutions that can make a real and meaningful impact in keeping the planet healthier for us all. We develop products and technology that address existing and unmet animal health needs. To honor our commitment to sustainability, we collaborate within and outside of our industry as a company that works towards furthering the One Health approach. We recognize the interconnection between the health of humans, animals, and our shared environment to contribute to today's health solutions. Our approach to sustainability means that we focus holistically across the areas of products and packaging, energy and greenhouse gas emissions, waste and water, and animal health and welfare. This means we are extending beyond our own interests to collaborate with others so that the animal health industry can help make an impact on feeding the world more sustainably for generations to come. After all, for us, success means succeeding together as one. It means thoughtful solutions and trusted results for animals, humans, and our shared environment. MSD Animal Health, the science of healthier animals.